Welcome to Cultivating Intelligence, and today we are going to talk about AI in healthcare. Now, welcome to Cultivating Intelligence. Last time we left with mixed emotions. We talked about AI and its impact on the world, and it was not that great. But today we brought you AI in healthcare. So we're going to talk about AI folds and how it is helping us understand the diseases and all that thing. Cynthia, walk us through. What is it?
Well,
Casually.
AlphaFold, casually, I try. So AlphaFold is a protein-based structure database. Yeah. So let's get into a little bit about what proteins are to understand what it does for us. So we are basically made up out of proteins, thousands and thousands and thousands. Like each cell that we have has thousands of proteins. Those
Wow.
proteins, each protein is made up out of 20 amino acids. And instead of imagining yourself like one amino acid that is made up of different things as well, we're not getting too much into it, right? And each amino acid is like 20 in total. Then it folds together in a certain structure, 3D structure. And depending on that structure, it has a specific function. Some are messengers, some are antibodies. For example, messengers, one that we all know are hormones, yeah. But there are very, very, very many functions and proteins. So basically, what AlphaFold does is something that Ifti is going to explain us, right? Now that we know what proteins are, how is AI helping us with this database in the medical area?
So this part is extremely interesting and really helpful, unlike making weapons and using AI to destroy human life. This is helping us understand diseases and possibly make drugs or medicines for that. And we probably have at least one relative or somebody we know who has a terrible encounter with dementia or Alzheimer's, right?
Mhm.
Have you, Cynthia?
I did, and you?
Also, and
Yeah.
a lot of people that I know, they also have had one person at least, and up until now, there has been no
Mhm.
cure for Alzheimer's because we couldn't understand the disease. And the reason why we could not understand is because of the protein folds. We did not know how they fold or how they function and in this
Mhm.
Alzheimer's disease. And so how AI fold or this alpha fold come into existence and what role do they play? Up until now, it has been a very tedious, a very expensive process to understand these folds, how protein folds and make 3D structures. And
Mhm.
that would consume a lot of time, a lot of money. With AI's help, we are able to determine this in a very short time, and it's not that expensive anymore. In the future, it will play even a significant role in understanding this. So, when we understand how these protein folds and what kind of impact they have on our body, we are able to give them different instructions with the help of medicine to reverse that or to heal the body. And that is
Mhm.
a very big function of
Mhm.
medicine. The medicine sends signal to our body and proteins.
Mhm. Or they block them, yeah,
Yeah,
the
exactly.
bad ones. Yeah, correct. Yeah, it does take a lot of time and it's saving so much time to use it. You just have to do some lab tests from the data that AI gives you, and ta-da, you have just a few years more to go, but it does save years of preparation.
Yeah.
So it's pretty great.
Now
Yeah.
imagine they invent a medicine where you instruct your protein to heal fast as possible, and we are like Wolverine healing our body within seconds. So yeah, waiting for that day, and fingers crossed. Um, with the
Mhm.
how fast this is going, seems like this is a very very good use of AI and can really change
Mhm.
lives. It can really change people's life because it can also help understand Parkinson's and make medicines for that.
Now, interesting topic to discuss, and we invite you all in the comment section. If it's that advanced in our lifetime that it can give us longevity, would you do it? Would you want to live longer on this planet if AI and medicine working together gives us that opportunity? I would definitely do it. I love living here in this body and this personal persona that I have created. But I do know some people who would not want to, They're like against it. But I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure
I'm
that
one of
we're gonna
those.
get to it.
I would not
Yeah?
want to. No.
Okay. Well, we don't want you here any longer. No, but you see, there are different opinions about. So I actually would be interesting in the comments to see which is like more popular, I would love to
Definitely.
see what's happening in 120 years when I'm 140, how technology has evolved and, spending time with my grandchildren. It would be amazing.
Yep. You'd be fighting with them over mascara or your dentures, Who took
Why
my
mascara?
dentures away?
There's something called lash implants. So you don't even need mascara anymore because you've just got natural lashes that
What
are
about
long
dentures?
and
Fighting over
fluffy.
dentures.
Dangers.
Dentures is dental.
Dane. Okay, I didn't know that word. But so my grandchildren, before they get any teeth, they're gonna take mine out. Reminds me of my grandmother who by accident lost hers one time.
So thank you for watching, and please let us know in the comment what Cynthia asked you, and see you in the next video. We're gonna talk about
Yes.
something even more important, more interesting.
But we're not gonna tell what. Please click on subscribe to see what's next.
Yeah.
And I do really want to know if you're on my side or on Nifty side, what is your desire? Longevity or a short, sad life? No, I'm joking. Anyways, let us know and we're gonna read you. See you next time.
See you. Bye bye.